Hello everyone. Today in this lesson I am going to explain how to use adverbs with future tense. Adverbs and adverbial phrases. Tomorrow. Tomorrow can refer to the day after today or the future in general. Example, tomorrow I want to be a doctor and help people. This sentence refers future. Tomorrow I have a meeting scheduled for tomorrow morning. I have an early flight tomorrow. The day after tomorrow. The day after tomorrow can refer to the day that is 2 days after today or a distant future that is uncertain or hypothetical. The day after tomorrow, the aliens might invade and we might have to fight. This sentence belongs to distant future. The day after tomorrow, we are planning a picnic for the day after tomorrow, hoping for clear skies. I have a doctor's appointment the day after tomorrow to review my test results. 2 days after tomorrow. 2 days after tomorrow can refer to the day that is 3 days after today or a very distant future that is unlikely or imaginary. 2 days after tomorrow, the robot might rebel and we might have to hide. This sentence implies very distant future. 2 days after tomorrow, I have a dentist appointment scheduled for 2 days after tomorrow. I hope it doesn't interfere with my plans. We have a team meeting scheduled for 2 days after tomorrow to discuss the upcoming projects. Next week. Next week can refer to the upcoming week of the year, such as the first week of January, the second week of February, etc. Next week. We are planning a family vacation next week to a tropical destination. We are hosting a dinner party at our place next week. I hope you can join us. Next month. Next month can refer to the upcoming month of the year, such as January, February, March, etc. Or the upcoming month of a specific event such as a birthday, a holiday, a deadline. Next month, I'll be traveling to Europe for a 2 week vacation. Next month, I will celebrate my birthday with my friends and family. Next month, I will save my money and buy something I want. Next year. Next year you can refer to the upcoming year of the calendar such as 2024, 2025 or the upcoming year of a specific event such as a graduation, a wedding, a retirement. Next year. Next year I will travel to Europe and see many countries. Next year I will write a book and share my story. Next time. Next time can refer to the future occurrence of an action or event that has happened before or a hypothetical situation that may or may not happen. Next time. Next time I will be more careful and avoid the mistake. Next time I would like to go to the beach and swim. Next term. Next term can refer to the upcoming term of an academic year, such as the first term, the second term, or the upcoming term of a political office, such as the president, the governor. Next term I will join a club and make new friends. Next term we will vote for a change and make a difference. Next season can refer to the upcoming season of the year, such as spring, summer, autumn, or winter, or the upcoming season of a TV show, sport, or other activity. Next season, I hope to see more flowers and birds in the park. Next season, I plan to go to a beach vacation with my family. Next holiday. Next holiday can refer to the upcoming holiday of the year, such as Christmas, New Year, Easter, or the upcoming holiday of a personal or professional occasion, such as a vacation, a birthday, a promotion. Next holiday. Next holiday, I will decorate my house and exchange gifts with my friends. Next holiday, I will throw a party and invite my friends. Oncoming Monday. Oncoming Monday can refer to the next Monday that will occur, or a specific Monday that is expected or planned. Oncoming Monday, I will return to work and resume my duties next Monday. Oncoming Monday, I will celebrate my friend's birthday and surprise him. In the years to come. In the years to come can refer to the future period of time that is longer than a year, or a future situation that is uncertain or helpful. In the years to come, I will achieve my goals and fulfill my dreams. In the years to come, the science may advance and we may have to learn. In future can refer to the time that is after the present, or a situation that is different from the present. In future, I will study harder and get better grades. In future, please be more polite and respectful. In near future can refer to the time that is soon or shortly after the present, or a situation that is likely or expected to happen soon. In near future, I will graduate from high school and go to college. In near future, the technology will improve and we will have more convenience. In due course means at a suitable or appropriate time in the future, especially after a normal or expected process. In due course, she will recover from her illness and return to work. In due course, I will finish my project and submit it to my supervisor. In course of time means as time passes or after a long time. In course of time, she forgave him and they became friends again. In course of time, the wounds healed and the scar faded. By passing of time means as time passes or over a period of time. By passing of time, he learned to forgive and forget. By passing of time, she became more confident and independent. By the time means at the time or when, and it is used to connect an action that has happened or will have happened before a second action. The action that happened second comes after by the time. By the time I got home, it was already dark. When I got home, it was dark. By the time we arrived at the airport, the plane had taken off. When we arrived at the airport, the plane had taken off. By next week, before the end of next week, or at some point before next week is over. It is often used with the future perfect tense to show that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. By next week, I will have finished reading this book. By next week, she will have moved to a new apartment. By next month means before the end of next month, or at some point before next month is over. It is often used with the future perfect tense to show that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. By next month I will have finished reading this book. By next month he will have quit his job. By next year means before the end of next year, or at some point before next year is over. It is often used with the future perfect tense to show that an action will be completed before a certain time in the future. By next year, I will have finished reading this book. By next year, you will have learned all the irregular verbs. In a few minutes means after a short period of time or soon. It is often used with the future tense to show that an action will happen soon. In a few minutes I will be ready to go. In a few minutes you will see the results. In a second means after a very short period of time or very soon. It is often used with the future tense to show that an action will happen very soon. In a second she will call you back. In a second he will arrive at the station. Right, thank you for watching this video.